Holy cow, look at this Corvette. Is this not the most ultimate car? The colors, the 67 Vette, big block, tri-power, side pipes. It's got it going on. Hi, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. We have a few hundred collector cars for sale at all times. Visit our website, volocars.com. There'll be pictures, there'll be full descriptions, pricing, financing, shipping, all the different ways to contact our sales guys. They'll help you out in making this a reality and putting this car in your driveway. Let's take this for a spin. I mean, I should just get out of the way and just let the car go around and speak for itself. Is that not incredible? The 67 Vette Coupe, or Fastback, whatever you want to call it, is the hottest ticket. The convertible is not as desirable because this is just so good looking. You don't find as many coupes, but the color combination is where it's really at with this car. According to the trim tag, this is the color combination it should have. They did sell a black and red big block, a certified car at auction for just under $400,000, and it was because of this color combination. This car also has a correct number match 427 tri-power under the hood too. But it's stunning. It's got radial redline tires, bolt-on wheels, side pipes, the red stinger. The paint is like glass. The body's outstanding. I've been around the car. Matter of fact, I just wiped it down. I don't see any cracking or damage or issues anywhere. It's just beautiful inside and out. The car also has air conditioning that's been added to it. So it's the ultimate. The seats are leather. The headlight motors were just rebuilt. We just spent a few $1,000s servicing the car, so it is turnkey, ready to go. We had it serviced at a Corvette shop. That's all the guy's been doing for 40 years is restoring Corvettes. We just spent a few $1,000s letting him go through the car, getting it dialed in real nice. So I said the red interior really pops. It's actual leather on the upholstery. The gauges all work. 4-speed. It's got power windows. The original radio. Even the clock is working. So it does have aftermarket air conditioning, very neatly installed. You got 2 vents underneath there. Actually, I don't even know where the controls are hidden for it. So they did a nice job installing the air. Look at that body style is just awesome. How it comes to a point like that. The chrome is just gleaming. The paint is like glass. It's got the 6500 redline tachometer, which is correct for this tri-power motor. Everything is all one color red. It's not different shades of red. It's not faded. It's all bright. Seat belts are redone. The door panels, the little knobs on the window cranks. It's all gorgeous. The carburetors were just completely gone through and dialed in. It's got the shielding and all the right air cleaner and chrome valve covers, and it all looks stock in here. It's got power brakes. They're 4-wheel disc all the way around. The only thing not stock appearing in here is the air conditioner, which again is very neatly installed. It looks like the suspension's been all gone through. The wiring looks new. So again, beautifully restored car. Let's fire it up. You're going to like how this big block tri-power sounds. I drove the car. Man, it's a blast. When them carbs open, it's like a turbo kicking in. It just goes. This car is spotless. The knobs, the console, the handle on the emergency brake, the glove box door, the mirror, the overhead light works. Everything I'm looking at in this car literally looks brand new. The steering wheel, it's phenomenal. What's really phenomenal is the way this car sounds. You're going down the road, shifting them gears, hearing them pipes roar. It's an awesome feeling. air conditioning. These cars can get pretty hot inside, especially with that big block motor under the hood. And the air is really nice to have. It takes a minute to get them all warmed up. We just pulled this car in, but I'm telling you what, it's an awesome feeling. I've driven every car, Hemi cars, you name it. This one right here with these colors, these features, the quality, the colors, it's off the charts. So if you want the ultimate car, you want to treat yourself, it's priced very fairly. You'll be the envy of anyone that sees you. So contact us, go to our website, there's a tab up in the corner, bring you to our site. You can check out all the specs, pricing on this car and all the other cars we have as well. Don't sit on this one too long, I don't think it's going to last. Thanks for watching.